Hi, everybody. I'm just going to give another minute, and then we will start. All right, welcome, everybody, to our AEW Wrestling break for tonight. We have 4 blaster boxes that we're going to be going through and hoping for some nice hits. If you're new with us, welcome. Just go over a couple housekeeping to do is any inserts that we pull, we do send out in sleeves. Any hits that we have will be in top loaders. And then everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers, and they will be delivered to the post office on Monday to be sent out. Again, we got the 4 blaster boxes that we're going to be opening. If you were with us with our last AEW break, we had a 1-of-1 Orange Cassidy pull. So hopefully we're going to keep that fire going. Just to go through our participants for tonight. We have Alex with Darby, Sting, Abaddon, and Justin Roberts. Matt with Best Friends, Chris Statlander, and Paul Turner. Melissa with Hangman Page, Joey Janela, Big Swole, and Billy Gunn. Ed with Cody, Dustin, Brandy Rhodes, and Arn Anderson. Anthony with Butcher, Blade, and the Bunny. Alex with the Dark Order. Melissa with FTR, Brian Cage, Dr. Britt Baker, and Tully Blanchard. Brad with the Inner Circle, Rio, Sheeta, and Jim Ross. Joseph with Lance Archer, QT Marshall, Tay Conti, and Jake Roberts. Todd with John Moxley, Kip Sabian, Penelope Ford. Melissa with Jungle Boy, Luchasaurus, and Nyla Rose. Todd with Matt Hardy, Private Party, and Tony Schiavone. Joseph with Miro and SCU. Zach with MJF, Sean Spears, and Wardlow. Melissa with Pac, Penta, and Ray Phoenix. Ryan with Powerhouse Hobbs, Ricky Starks, and Taz. And Corey with the Elite. So we will start with our first box, and good luck, everybody. We have our packs, our empty box. Hi, Zach. Welcome. And starting off tonight, we have Powerhouse Hobbs, Sheeta, a gold Jake Roberts, a top rope for Hangman Adam Page, a gold Roads to Success, Nick Jackson, Jake Hager, and Colt Cabana AEW Wrestling Magazine. And just give me 1 second while I sleeve up a couple of these. So there's our gold Roads to Success. And our top rope for Hangman Page. Next pack, we have Orange Cassidy, Chris Jericho, Brandy Rhodes, a gold for Kenny Omega. There's a pyro fireworks for Darby Allin. Main features, Brandy Rhodes, John Silver, and the Blade. And our first Darby of the night. And next pack we have Tony Schiavone, Santana, a gold Cody Rhodes, canvas Sammy Guevara, main features Orange Cassidy, Jake Roberts, Kenny Omega, and Cody Rhodes. And Sammy is our first canvas of the night. Next pack we have Brody Lee, Brian Cage. For tag teams we have Private Party. We have a gold Sheeta, a canvas for Miro. Main features Jake Hager, Miro, and the Butcher and the Blade. There's our Miro canvas. Next pack we have Nyla Rose, MJF, tag team of SCU, a gold Sammy Guevara, Pyro Fireworks Pac, main features Nyla Rose, Sammy Guevara, and a tag team of FTR. Next pack, we start off with Nyla Rose, Wardlow, a gold FTR. Here's our first hit of the night. We have a red numbered for the Butcher. It's numbered 60 out of 100. So that one is going to Anthony. And then we have main features Darby, Isaiah Cassidy, Jon Moxley, and Chris Jericho. Next pack, we have Nick Jackson, The Bunny, Colt Cabana, a gold Isaiah Cassidy, Roads to Success, a gold main features for Dr. Britt Baker, Joey Janela, and Dr. Britt Baker. And this is the last pack of our first box. And we have Taz, Luchasaurus, a gold Jon Moxley, a Pyro Fireworks of Brandy Rhodes, Luchasaurus main features, Billy Gunn, QT Marshall, and Britt Baker. I hope so, Kyle. I think that's the one thing in this is now our fourth AEW break that we have not seen as a dotted line autograph. The only autograph we had was of Arn Anderson, and I think that was in the first one. All right, so we'll do box number 2. If it wants to open for us. And there's our packs, our empty box. And we have Brody Lee, Brian Cage, a gold Ray Phoenix, main features Cash Wheeler, gold main features for Frankie Kazarian, Scorpio Sky, Hangman Page, and Brian Cage. Next pack, we start off with Private Party, Christopher Daniels, Kip Sabian, gold Dax Harwood, and then we have a Pyro Fireworks for the Butcher and the Blade. Main features Jon Moxley, Penelope Ford, and Lance Archer. And there's our first MJF for the night. And Penta, a gold Young Bucks, canvas for Best Friends, main feature Rio, Arn Anderson, Dustin Rhodes, and Sting. Next, we have Big Swole, Sting, Orange Cassidy, gold for Powerhouse Hobbs, Pyro Fireworks for Scorpio Sky, Rose to Success, Shawn Spears, and Best Friends Tag Team. And next pack we have Matt Jackson, a gold for Sheeta. There's a nice card. We have a memorabilia card for Kenny Omega. It's not numbered, but that one will be going to Corey. And then we got Britt Baker, main features, and Chris Statlander. There's our Omega memorabilia. Next we have Tay Conti, the Dark Order, a gold Brian Cage, main features Brian Cage, a gold main features for Rey Fenix, Cody Rhodes, Kenny Omega, and Ortiz. And next we have the Butcher, Matt Hardy, a gold Penelope Ford, fireworks of Wardlow, main features MJF, Matt Jackson, Justin Roberts, and Anna Jay. And then this is the last pack of our second box. And we have Matt Hardy, Alex Reynolds, Trent, a gold Lance Archer, a canvas for Big Swole, main features Matt Hardy, John Moxley, and Kazarian. There's our Big Swole canvas. And at the end, we will do a recap of all of our bigger hits. There's our packs and our empty box. And we have Trent, Paul Turner, a gold Britt Baker, main features Chris Jericho, a gold main features John Moxley, Matt Jackson, Justin Roberts, and Anna Jay. Next we have Chuck Taylor, Lance Archer, Darby, Gold Miro. There's a Fireworks for Orange Cassidy. Main feature Scorpio Sky, Jon Moxley, and Kazarian. There's our Lucha Brothers, Stu Grayson, a gold Butcher and the Blade, Canvas Jim Ross, main features Hangman Page, tag teams Jurassic Express, Ricky Starks, and Rio. And we have Cash Wheeler, Gold Scorpio Sky. We have another memorabilia card, Young Bucks. So Corey, you get another one for being in the Elite. And then we got Rose to Success and Hikaru Shida. And there's our second memorabilia card. And next we have Sammy Guevara, Brody Lee, a gold Hangman Page, a Fireworks Jim Ross, main features Colt Cabana, Mark Quinn, Jungle Boy, and Jim Ross. Next pack is Evil Uno, Tully Blanchard, Ray Phoenix, Gold Colt Cabana, main features Shawn Spears, a gold main features of Rio, Abaddon, and Darby. We have a gold John Silver, Fireworks Chris Jericho, a second Fireworks of Abaddon, another memorabilia card, this one Colt Cabana. So that one will be going to Alex. and a main features of Ricky Starks. So very nice pack there. And this is the last pack of our third box. And we have Ray Phoenix, Dax Harwood, the Young Bucks, a gold for the Blade, a canvas for Lance Archer, main features Dax Harwood, Pac, and a tag team for the Inner Circle. And then our last box of the night. Our empty box. And we start off with Lucha Brothers, Stu Grayson, a gold for Brody Lee, main features Orange Cassidy, a gold main features for Sheeta, Nick Jackson. I'm not sure why they had that one backwards. Sheeta, and Mark Quinn. And next we have Cash Wheeler, Sammy, Brody Lee, a gold Brian Cage, fireworks for Kenny Omega, main features Nyla Rose, Jungle Boy, and Jim Ross. And next we have Evil Uno, Tully Blanchard, a gold Private Party, a canvas for Brandy Rhodes, main features for Darby, Abaddon, Darby, and Pac. There's our Brandy Rhodes. Next we have Tony Schiavone, Santana, Nyla Rose, a gold Brandy Rhodes, a canvas for Anna Jay. Main features Tay Conti, Cody Rhodes, and Sammy. Next pack, we start off with Ray Phoenix, Dax Harwood, a gold Christopher Daniels, a Pyro Fireworks for Ortiz, Rose to Success, Inner Circle, and Jake Hager. And next we have Young Bucks, a gold Kip Sabian. We have another memorabilia card, this one of Tully Blanchard. So that one is going to Melissa. Then we have main features Luchasaurus and Colt Cabana. There's Tully Blanchard. Next pack we have Powerhouse Hobbs, Sheeta, Orange Cassidy, a gold Orange Cassidy, main features Jake Hager, gold main features Jungle Boy, John Silver, and The Blade. All right, this is our last pack of the night, and then we will do a recap of all our hits. We have Chris Jericho, Brandy Rhodes, a gold Chris Jericho, a gold Fireworks of Powerhouse Hobbs, a Fireworks of Matt Jackson, main features Kenny Omega, Jake Roberts, and Kenny Omega. There you go, Ryan. There's your Gold fireworks for Powerhouse Hobbs. And then just to do our recap, we had the exclusives numbered out of 100 for the Butcher. Canvas, Anna J. Canvas of Brandy Rhodes. Canvas of Lance Archer. A gold fireworks for Chris Jericho. Canvas for Sammy Guevara. Canvas for Miro. Canvas for Jim Ross. A canvas for Big Swole. A canvas for Best Friends. And then our memorabilias, Young Bucks, Tully Blanchard, Kenny Omega, and Colt Cabana. The next AEW break, I should have posted on our eBay page. I'm thinking either Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm just waiting for the product to come in. So either Tuesday or Wednesday night. And we're going to separate the wrestlers a little bit. Still keep it at a reasonable price, we think. But we're going to separate it so not as much groups. But again, that should be posted Tuesday or Wednesday. If you're interested in WWE, that should also be posted around there. We have a baseball break tomorrow night and football on Monday night. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. We do appreciate you joining in, and we hope to see you very soon. So thank you.